Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full tutorial slash review on one of Janet Collection's wig that was sent to me. It's been a while since I've done a synthetic wig video on my channel, only because I feel like I'm very busy, so like I don't really have the time like I used to when I first started my channel to like Google and look out new types of, you know, lace wigs to review for you guys. So that's where you guys can come in and help me. If you guys know about any new lace wigs on the market that are synthetic that you guys want me to review, just go ahead and slide me a DM. I will definitely open it and check it, and I will get that for you. So I was sent for free, not even to do a review. Janet Collection is so sweet and so supportive that they just genuinely sent me a wig just to say thank you for my hard work for the past in 2019, and they sent me this wig right here. So I said, you know what, why don't I do a review, because I got to pick the wig and I knew that you guys would like this because it's super glamorous and it's super long, and I know you guys love the long synthetic wigs and you guys like when I do reviews on it. So this is definitely for my babies. Okay, so this is how the wig looks, taking it straight out of the freaking box. This is how it looks, you guys. It is super duper long. Wait, is it oh, this is not a lace wig. So this is not a lace wig. It's my fault, my bad. I thought this was a lace wig, but it is not a lace wig because there's no lace on it. The lace is already cut, which I'm not a fan of, because you guys know I don't cut off all the lace. That's one thing I taught you guys in Synthetic 101 Wig School with Miss Christy J. Do not cut off all the lace. But I did have a wig like this before and I slayed it. So let's just see if I can slay it today. The wig has two clips right here in the front. So like it goes like right there. It has a clip in the back, and it also comes with straps, which I'm going to actually strap up right now because I'm about to put this on my head and lay it for the gods. Oh, whoa. Okay, so let me just adjust the clips. I'm kind of upset that this doesn't have any clips on the side. So this is the wig, you guys. I think she's pretty. She's really pretty. She's really wavy. There's just a little bit of okay. Get off my, all right. There's a little bit of adjustments that I may have to do for this wig because there isn't any lace. And I'm gonna take my Kiss brush and I'm gonna create my own little baby hairs from the hairs of the wig, because there's like literally no baby hairs. So I'm just gonna take a piece of hair. I'm gonna take my razor comb, which I need a new one because this is like, ooh child. Just cut it shortly, like I always show you guys. You don't want the baby hairs to be too long. But I need to create some edges on this wig because this wig is like edgeless. Okay, you guys, so I got enough baby hair, so I'm gonna just lay it down with I'm not even gonna glue this wig down to my head. I mean, I could, but because there's no lace, I feel like it's just gonna literally be like the cap glued on my head, and I think that's gonna make me break out. I'm gonna be using my Gorilla Snot gel because I ran out of my Got2b. When I run out my Got2b, I usually use this for like a second option. And I'm gonna lay down these baby hairs. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tie it down. I'm gonna do this side really quickly, and then I'm gonna use I call this like an edge scarf. I got it from Kenji Beauty. Oh, I was sent it because I won this giveaway from Kenji Beauty, and you literally just use it to tie down your edges. So I'm gonna use this to tie down up this side so that the baby hairs can be laid, and then I can style the rest of the wig. Now I'm trying to see if I should thin it out. I think I am going to thin it out a little bit because it is a little bit on the thick side. Yeah, it's a little bit on the thick side, so I'm going to go ahead and thin it out using my thinning shears. These are Annie stainless steel. I got them from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to, and I'm going to thin out the ends. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And as I'm doing that, as you can see, there's hair that's coming out. That's what you want, because the ends are a little bit on the thick side. I don't want the ends to be super thick. I want them to be kind of thin. And I'm going to take my little brush right here, and I'm just going to brush out the ends so that it's not super thick. I want thin ends. I don't want thick ends, you know. So all that hair is coming out. All that tangling is coming out. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And all that hair is coming out because we don't need all this hair. You really don't need all that hair. It's just a lot of hair on the ends, and that's how it gets tangled really fast. So now I'm just combing out the ends. Stand up for you guys. Just want to get that really hard so that all that extra hair that you don't need comes out, because you don't need that hair. So I'm just going to take some hair on this side, just like that. And you got to be careful because the tracks do kind of show in this area when you put it up. It doesn't really show that much, but it shows a little bit, so you just got to be careful. So I'm going to take some hair on this side. I'm going to take some hair on this side. Okay, and I'm going to comb it back so that there's like no part. I'm not trying to show the part because we're putting it back. Do what I used to do back in the day when I used to do updos. I'm going to take the hair, as you can see it's like this. I'm going to go put my hair forward, put my head forward like this. Take my scrunchie. Okay, she's nice and tight. So, oh. All right, so we kind of have like a cute updo. Okay, now I'm gonna remove this head tie just to see how the baby hairs came out. Okay, okay, it's choked, it's around my neck. Okay, there we go. This hair is really pretty and long and glamorous and just I just feel so pretty wearing it. Yeah, so this is by Janet Collection. I let her literally like run my fingers through it, as you can see, and it's not tangling, so I can run my fingers through it. After I thinned it out, before I thinned it out, it was really tangly. Not really tangly, but it did get tangled. So thin it out a little bit, add some baby hairs. It sucks that it's not a lace wig. If it was a lace wig, I probably would have slayed the frontal, because a lace wig is just really tight on your head. I felt like this wig needs to be a lace wig. Other than that, I love this wig. It's super pretty. This is how I would have looked for New Year's if I would have went out. First wig slay of the year. Yes, I love you guys so much for watching. Let me know below what you think if you're gonna go pick up this wig. I will have the links in my description box. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.